In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Privacy section and select Permission Manager at the top. Finally, select one of your device's features you wish to manage. I will go with Microphone. Now tap on one of your apps under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with Chrome from not allowed one. Following that, apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. In my case, microphone access for this app. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, icons that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature to look for an app you wish to manage. Click on your chosen app here and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Now operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!